In urban traffic, a car parked in the wrong place for just a few minutes can trigger a chain reaction. Most people involved think, it's just a quick stop, it'll be fine. But traffic doesn't run on goodwill, it runs on discipline. And with just one seemingly harmless choice, the consequences can appear right there on camera. Park time captures the moment when everything unfolds exactly as no one expects. Pay the fine or get your wheel clamped. This is what she chose instead. Sometimes you do everything right and trouble still finds you. So what happens when you park correctly and something still goes wrong? Like this. Hey my friend, how did you even manage to park up there? When you take someone else's parking spot, they might help you stand out even more. The driver clearly paid a heavy price for today's mistake. Calm down, my friend. Reacting like this only drains your wallet faster. That's why you shouldn't let angry husbands lose control. The consequences can be unpredictable.
Oh my God!
Did he really just do that to the other car? Hard to believe.
No, no, no.
If it were you, could you pull this off? Traffic culture isn't just about driving skills, but about behavior when conflicts arise. Successful people always find their own way. So who do you think is at fault here? Let me show you what top-tier driving skills really look like. Luckily for him, the homeowner turned out to be easygoing. What's going on with this guy? Do you know what's wrong with him? Oh no, someone took my parking spot.
A few moments later.
If it were me, I wouldn't park there, especially with a convertible Jeep. Park in the wrong place and get the deluxe trash bin surround package. Don't try this prank. It's not safe at all. Who needs a tow truck when you've got a strong man like this? What happens when you park carelessly? Hey, my friend, let me show you what justice looks like. Is your driveway blocked? Try this method. He looks a bit difficult. What would you do in this situation? This is how you create space when another car parks off center. Oh no, my beloved car. This is the outcome of blocking a pedestrian lane. A brief kiss that lasts a lifetime. Winter fishing enthusiasts, these are the big catches you're looking for. I love how he doesn't realize he'll be responsible for the damage he caused. This is how illegal parking is handled where I live. How about your place? Don't make the men angry. You never know what might happen next. If the red car had parked closer to the curb, there wouldn't be any scratches. Illegal parking is the fastest way to get your car towed. No permission needed. Sometimes you just have to leave it to fate.
Ooh! Damn! Ooh! Damn!
When neither driver backs down, this is how it ends. This is extremely dangerous. Don't try this. Never park on a curve. You never know what trouble comes next. That compensation bill is going to be massive. Go explain to the police that the horses stole your vehicle. It was probably just a pedal mix-up. No bad intentions, right? Oh no! The car disappeared right in front of our eyes. Don't do this. It's extremely dangerous. I honestly wonder how he plans to move his car out of there. He looks angry about something and clearly couldn't control his emotions behind the wheel. If you've ever thought, I'll just park here for a moment, this video might be worth watching one more time. Park time doesn't judge. It simply captures the moments when patience reaches its limit and everything unfolds in ways no one expects. If you want to keep seeing real-life stories like these, don't forget to follow Park Time, where every frame is a reminder that on the road, a small choice can lead to a big ending.